Hey Christopher, don't I look like a small black rain cloud?
No, you look like a muddy little bear hanging onto a balloon.
Oh well, perhaps from up here it looks different. You never can tell with bees.
Perhaps if you sang like a little dark rain cloud, that might fool the bees.
Christopher Robin, I think the bees S-U-S-P-E-C-T something.
Perhaps they think you're after their honey.
Well, it may be that. You never can tell with bees. Christopher Robin, I think it would help with the deception if you would open your umbrella and say, "Tut, tut, it looks like rain."
Tut, tut, it looks like rain. Tut, tut, it looks like rain. Tut, tut, it looks like rain.
Christopher Robin, I have come to a very important decision. These are the wrong sorts of bees. They are coming very unfriendly.
And so they were. The queen bee became especially angry, and she dove right at Pooh's balloon and pricked a small hole in it. As the air rushed out of the balloon, Pooh was jet propelled all over the landscape. But when the air was all gone, Pooh decided he would have to come down. And he did. But Christopher Robin was there to catch him. And he did.